As your leader for the past 2 decades, it's time for Clarke Basement Systems to become one with Groundworks. We'll be known as Groundworks Canada, from coast to coast. You'll no longer be considered an employee, but a partner.
We're going to supply all the capital, resources, and training, technology, trucks, assets. You're going to go win yourselves. You guys are winners. You've been doing it for a long time. And now you have a partner that's going to help you go out there to get the business and bring the fight to them.
They've done this before, starting now with us, and they will continue to join forces with other like-minded companies to continue to dominate the foundation industry in North America. They come with a strong leadership team to complement and help train us as owners to win.
For those that want to seize the opportunity to change their lives and change the lives of their family, to do it. And if that's in your DNA and that's what you want to do professionally, today is a big day for you. You'll have the capital for marketing, you'll have the capital for equipment, you'll have the capital for training. We'll give you every resource you need to win. But it'll be you. And when you win as a team, it'll feel great. And at Groundworks, we believe that we can do anything if we work together, have great people, and we can do it all together.